Hey guys, what is up and welcome to my first YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make fluffy slime. I hope you enjoy it and don't forget to comment in the comment section below what I should do next. So to start off, you need some PVA glue and you just want to add as much as you like just to make sure that you know that it will double in size when you start adding the shaving cream. So now you're going to add the shaving cream and you want to add a little bit less than you did the glue, and I'm just going to shake my bottle of sheared shaving cream and I'm just going to put it in there. Now I'm going to mix it, and I am not putting food colouring in this because I want you guys to see the whole thing without getting distracted with the colour. Now I'm going to be adding 1 cup of warm water into 1 teaspoon of borax. And I'm just going to mix this in until this dissolves. This is going to be what activates our slime. Now you want to go back to your slime, and then with the contact solution we made, you just want to put a little bit in at a time and start mixing it until you see it start to form. And you want to keep adding that. Now what you want to do is when it goes to this consistency, you want to put it on a table. Sticky. Now you just want to keep poking it and adding more and more of that borax solution till it doesn't become sticky anymore and you can play with it without it sticking to your hands. And you can just keep it a little bit sticky just so then you don't over-activate it and it doesn't get too stiff that you can't really play with it. When it starts getting to the right consistency, you just want to go straight in with your hands without even thinking about it, and just make sure that it's not too sticky, and then you'll end up with this result. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you really enjoyed this video, and comment down below what other videos should I do, because I don't really have that many ideas since this is my only first video. Thank you guys. Bye!